Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're opening some Nom Snackables collectible cereal, and I thought it would be fun to make some cereal slime using only 2 ingredients. So let's open up our first bowl so we can put it inside the slime. And these are so cute, you guys. I just love the little faces of the cereal. Nom Noms are just too adorable. And whoa, look how many blind bags. And here is the collector's guide. And it shows us all the different categories. And the scented magic milk spoons. I really hope to get the one with the sprinkles because it looks so cute. It is a birthday cake milk. So we have 3 easy steps. Just pour the cereal, add some water, swirl the magic scented spoon for a milk surprise. And the first cereal we have, oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's a little kitty cat, looks like a Cheerio, and its name is Caramel, and it's kind of broken, but it has cute little kitty ears. Our next one looks like a puff, and we got Soggy Waffles. Look at that strawberry drizzle. We got another puff. This is Angle Apple, and it's so cute. It looks like a little bear. We got another puff. This is Blueberry Star. We got Crunchy Checkers. We got Nerdy Berry. And look at those little glasses. That is the cutest thing ever. Aw, and we got 2 in 1. This is Mr. and Mrs. Omango. So cute, they're part of the rings. We got a little marshmallow. This is Cherry Hearts. Another marshmallow. This is a little ice cream cone called Kitty S'mores, and it's so cute. We have 2 more blind bags, and then we get to see our magic spoon. Oh, we got another one of the checkers. This is Rosy Checkers, and it's in a heart shape. And we got Arby Flaky, and she looks really surprised or scared. I'm not sure yet. And she is one of the flakes. Now that we open up all of our cereal, we can open the magic spoon and there will be another cereal inside. So let's see. We got a purple spoon. Let's look in the guide, and we have the wild berry milk from the classic spoons. So let's go ahead and fill up our bowl with water and mix it up. And I imagine these to be more fizzy than they are. But let's mix it all up, and I don't really smell the berry scent, to be honest. Oh, I see our hitting cereal. And we got another ring. And the water's getting like a little purple pink. And we got Mandy Omango. So here is our first cereal, and it's really cute. I love the idea, but I'm gonna love it even more when we put it inside our slime. Let's open one more bowl, and we can make our 2 ingredient cereal slime. And all these surprises came in one big strip. Let's see who we got. And we got Chris Corny. We got Pinky Square. We got BB Surprise, and she's also very surprised. We got P Lemon Hearts. Nilla Hearts. This is Sophia Berry, and she's got like some frosting on top. Heartberry Checkers. Mellow Mini Cake, one of the marshmallows. This is Cherry Clover. Now this is really cute. We have a chocolate puff and there's two. There's one on top of the other. They are chocolate twins and they remind me of Cocoa Puffs. Yum! Look at these little faces. And our last cereal is Be Razzo. Yay, you guys! We got the birthday cake spoon. I think that's what it's called. Let's check the list. The birthday cake milk spoon, and it has sprinkles and it just looks so cute. I can't wait to see if it'll smell like birthday cake. Let's put our cereal in the bowl, add our water, open up our spoon and start mixing. And look at our secret surprise. There's like two little checkers. So cute. We got cotton and candy squares. They're cotton candy flavored. I mean, that would probably be so yummy. It looks like the mom and the baby or something. And the water has turned really pink, or the milk like they say. And it does have like a vanilla scent to it. Now let's make our slime. And to make our milk and cereal slime, we only need 2 ingredients. I'm going to use some Elmer's school glue. And my current favorite activator, some liquid starch. I bought mine on Amazon, but I know some people told me they found them in the grocery store in the laundry detergent aisle. And I just love this as an activator. It's just perfect. So I'm just going to put all of my school glue in this little bowl. I poured some liquid starch onto this cup and I'm just gonna start putting little bits at a time and mixing it in until it starts getting thicker and eventually comes into a very slimy consistency. As you can see, it's already starting to not stick to the bowl, so it's a good sign. I'm gonna put a little bit. Oh no, I broke my spoon. Let's use a spatula instead. And I always get so tempted to just put the whole glass or cup of liquid starch, but I think now I'm gonna start kneading it with my hands. So after about 15 minutes of kneading it, it's starting to come together It's still a tiny bit sticky, but I kind of like it because I want it to look more like, you know, milk and be a little bit slimier. So I'm loving it so far. Now the fun part, let's put the slime inside of our bowl. Now we can add our Noms cereal. Okay, I really love it. It looks so colorful. It's by far one of my favorite cereal slimes I've made so far. This is so much fun to play with, you guys. And when you're done with it, you can just take out the Noms and clean them up with a damp washcloth. And you can just put the lid onto the bowl to store your slime. Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I loved making it for you. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see more videos like this one, or what is your favorite slime to make. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.